Remove all packaging and place all test elements on a flat and clean surface. Disinfect your finger using an alcohol swab. Dry the alcohol using a sterile compress. Prick your finger using the lancet. Press along the finger in order to develop a large drop of blood at the end of your finger. In order to collect the sample, take the micropipette and place it on the surface of the drop of blood. Deposit the sample onto the cassette into the sample well, labeled by S. Place 2 drops of the buffer into the buffer well, labeled by B. Wait for 10 minutes in order to interpret the results. If 3 lines appear on the cassette, 1 in the control zone, 1 in the IgG zone, and 1 in the IgM zone, the test is positive for IgG and IgM. If 2 lines appear on the cassette, 1 in the control zone and 1 in the IgM zone, the test is positive for IgM. If 2 lines appear on the cassette, 1 in the control zone and 1 in the IgG zone, the test is positive for IgG. If only 1 line appears in the control zone, the test is negative. The test is invalid if the control line does not appear.